Hello friends, today we are going to draw a scenery inside the circle. Drawing a nature scenery can be a delightful creative endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Draw a horizontal line across your paper where the sky meets the ground. This is your horizon line and will help you position different elements accurately. Start by sketching the larger elements in the background. For example, if you're drawing a mountain landscape, lightly sketch the outlines of the mountains against the sky. Draw the elements that are closer to the viewer but not in the foreground, such as trees, a lake, or smaller hills. These elements add depth to your scene. Use your pencils to add shading and texture to your drawing. Lightly shade areas that would be in shadow and use slightly darker shading for areas with more contrast. Pay attention to the direction of light in your scene to make it look realistic. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt doesn't turn out exactly as you imagined. Enjoy the process of creating and expressing your vision of nature on paper.